That's it. So poke is a Hawaiian dish that originated hundreds of years ago, and the word poke itself is a Hawaiian word for to cut or to slice. So Poke & Co started in 2017. It started actually by coincidence when me and my wife were traveling in London and we tried poke bowls. So the idea came that we can bring the concept to UAE. We are like more of a healthy cafe and healthy eating place. So we offer a wide range of selection. So we have acai bowls, we have avo toast, specialty coffee, cold pressed juices. We have even healthy gym meals. We are now offering also meal plans. So it's just you can say a healthy kitchen and poke bar. So we were researching for the best solution that we can integrate all of our delivery platforms into, and we found that from the few players in the market, DeliverAct was the best suit for us. The whole team of DeliverAct is very professional, they're very friendly and helpful. So from the start, the onboarding process was straightforward. It was very quick, and within a matter of 2 weeks, we onboarded 10 concepts, 12 locations, and on 3 delivery platforms. So I think it was a very good experience.